Hello everyone, welcome back to the Morrocco Method YouTube channel. My name is Jessica and today this video is extra exciting for us because not only do we have 3 different heatless curl wave methods for you to try at home, but we're also giving away a huge amount of product. Here at Morrocco Method, we are very passionate about helping you achieve your healthiest head of hair. Part of that is reducing your use of heat styling. So this includes a curling iron, a straightener, a blow dryer. But thankfully, there are a few different methods you can use to gain volume, texture, curls, and waves without using any heat at all. It's actually highly effective and it will last you all day long. So my hair right now, as you can see, has a little bit more body than usual. I actually slept on braids and let them out and brushed my hair out with our boar bristle brush. I also use our scalp massager to add a little bit more volume to my hair. If you like a more tamed look, I recommend doing the same thing I did, but using our Diamond Crystal Mist leave-in conditioner or our Sapphire Volumizer Mist to add a little bit of nourishment and quench into your final hair. The first heatless styling method that we recommend is the good old-fashioned braid. Keep in mind, if you are wanting to have really tight, noticeable, definitive waves, you should divide your hair into more sections. I personally like to do 4 or 6 braids to really add a little bit of extra body and texture. I encourage you to experiment because your unique scalp type, hair type might respond slightly differently than mine does, and you'll find what you prefer best on your own head. The second heatless styling method that we recommend are sock curls. These are incredible with how they perform. You essentially are wrapping your hair around the sock and then securing it on the end. It works best if you leave it overnight on dry hair. If you do this on wet hair, it will still work. You just might find that it performs better on dry hair. I definitely have experienced that. The third heatless styling method that we recommend is using curling rods. You can find them on the internet. There's many different kinds. There are ones that I have here that have varying widths. So the bigger ones will provide a slightly larger curl. You might find that in the front of your head, you like having them to be a little looser, and in the back, you are okay with them being tighter, and that will help you figure out where on your head to use each curling rod. Once you've got your heatless style all set up and you're ready to go to bed, we recommend using a satin bonnet. It really does make a big difference. I personally was pretty skeptical about whether I needed to do it or not, but what happens is that when you don't have a layer in between your hair and your pillow, you're twisting and turning at night, you're flipping over, and when you wake up, you have this look that somebody went like this on your head and you have a lot of little baby hairs up. This prevents that entirely, and I would say they're definitely worth it if you are interested in reducing breakage overnight and really keeping your heatless styling updo in place as you sleep. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more healthy hair content as well as giveaways coming up. If you subscribe to our channel, you will have those notifications in your inbox so you don't miss a video. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Bye.